journey to your skin, with my hands and with my eyes. I've traveled and arrived. I was lonely, I was cold. There was nowhere near to hold. Then my journey did begin. I came traveling on your skin, coming home, coming home, back to you, it's where I belong. When I'm there and you are here, I'll come traveling till I'm near. Oh, the journey must begin. I'll come traveling on your skin.
I'm in Clovis, my dad works here, and I just met Elvis Blue, and he wrote me a message and signed this. It says, "Hi Ella, thank you for the roller," and then he signed.
There's a passion deep inside, the mysteries they hide, coming